Батёк, это ты что, куда меня привез? В магазин же собирались.
Что сегодня будем делать?
Tractor tipping's fun. This is ridiculous.
Wait for me.
All right, listen.
Flounder,
When I say go,
hurry up.
we go. But don't let Frank catch you. Go!
Who's Frank?
Let's get out of here. Oh, you're not getting
Wait,
cold fins
Mia.
now, are you?
Ладно, ладно. Давай, только быстро.
То-то же.
Okay, here's what you do. You just sneak up in front of them and then honk. And they do the rest. Watch this. I swear, tractors is so dumb. I'll tell you what, buddy, it don't get much better than this.
Yep, you're living the dream, Mater boy.
I don't care who you are, that's funny right there. Your turn, bud.
Mater, I can't. I don't even have a horn.
Baby.
I'm not a baby. Fine, stop, okay? All right, I'll do something.
Remind me to glue his helmet shut when we get back.
Опасность! Опасность!
That's right.
Шухер малой! Бежим!
Go, go, go! He's going to get you!
Not again.